Okay, so in this video we will be taking a look at the high tier Japanese cruiser Atago. Starting off with the stats of the ship. Without the flag, without HV flag, the maximum life of the cruiser is 1,87,129. A pretty average HV pool for a high tier cruiser. High speed is good, 43.7 knots without a speed flag. Turning cycle is about 25 seconds. She has 4 interceptors. These are the stats of our interceptors. HP 531 HP. Their speed is 795.6 km/h and damage per second is 175. The torpedo systems of Atago are pretty good. There are 4 torpedo tubes, each with 4 torpedo launchers. Anti-aircraft is pretty decent for the tier. Her main armament is about 10 8-inch guns in 5 dual mounts. In the game Battle of Warship, Atago can be obtained by purchase with real money, or you can try to get her out of the containers. You can get her out of the rare container, or I believe you can also get her from this legendary container. Let's just check it out. Yeah, we can get it from legendary containers and 100 containers. No, she's not only available with 3 ways to obtain the ship. Now let's move on to our battle. Okay, this is the first battle of the video. The team settings are: we got an H-41, Montana, Wisconsin, Musashi, Midway, Atago, and Shimikaze. The enemy team has Super Alaska, New Jersey, Missouri, Montana, Graf Zeppelin, Atago, and another Graf Zeppelin. Okay, so we will be pushing on the left flank. We got Montana, Missouri, and Atago here. Speed boost. The ship is very fast when you use speed boost. I'm going to turn away and shoot at Missouri. Reload time of 8 seconds. Okay, now turning in to engage. Atago will shoot at us, so let's. Okay, Atago. We will now engage Atago. Turning in to avoid as many shells of her. And she did the same. Going to keep our bow forward. Shells. Reversing up. Playing with the speed makes it hard for the opponent to hit your ship. Just going to turn in and get out of his arcs. Now we will be safe. If we go up here, we will find quite a few many battleships. Going to drop my speed, trying to torpedo them as they will come out of this channel. That's it, basically. Launching 2 torpedoes, then going to turn around and use the tubes of other side tubes. They will miss because he is turning in outwards. Okay, I'm going to go in, avoiding his torpedoes. He avoids mine. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip the video till I get to engage again. Okay, so this is actually a pretty bad position for Atago because we got our allies H-41 and Wisconsin are just getting destroyed by the enemy carriers. We will take out this grab zeppelin. Atago's AA is pretty average, so she cannot take down full squadrons. Luckily, our team survives and we take out the grab zeppelin going. Where did these torpedoes came from? Okay, we got a destroyer as well. Super Alsace. Atago, we will shoot her. Okay. Interceptors are being launched. Okay, I'm actually going to try a risky maneuver and go in here and try to take both of them out for my team. Reducing my speed. That sun is just coming in my eye. Blowing up. First torpedoes I will launch for New Jersey. Got her. Enemy avoiding enemy tops. Repairing. Heading upwards to torpedo this cruiser. Let's see if anything is in fire range. Nothing. Gonna cut inwards. Hopefully we will not die from the carrier. 25 seconds to reload. No more. We have no interceptors. That's a downside of the Atago. Okay, gonna cut outwards so that I can get my torpedoes. Okay. 8 torpedoes are coming. I'm loading. Torpedo tubes launching torpedoes. Out. Super Alaska is in range. Gonna swing around this island using the wall as cover. Speed boost again. Going to turn around for the Alsace to engage her. Gotta be really careful, she can easily take me out. And firing first shells, turning in to avoid her shells. And here they come and we free, and she really, those hurts. They hurt a lot. Another shell. The Alsace, she fires in return, and the Alsace is just killing us. Turning, bringing my camera down. Firing shell. Well, it was a bad idea to try to face the Alsace all on my own. She is now going to kill and finish me with ease. Okay, so we got Atago. And we were killed by the Atago. Our torpedoes were launched, and hopefully one would at least make contact with her. she is turning away and the torpedoes miss. Okay, so just going to do a one battle offline to give you guys a bit hint how to play Atago offline battles. Now offline battle, here we go. Okay, so I did not bring the repair party. I may only have one if I am correct. Reverse speed boost. The key to a success in an offline battle is to first reverse and let one of your ships go front so that he is concentrated. Shan host, which was once my favorite ship, but after the last update I hate her because she does not belong in high tier matches. Her damage is 32,000, Atago damage is 28,000. It is pretty close, so I rather take Atago over Shan host. So please, I hope that they fix this error and bring Shan host back in low tier game where she belongs, so that people may enjoy her again. Okay, so on this slide we got Iowa, San Diego. San Diego really is trouble for us. Gonna turn outside. Shan host should be in front of us, so that yes, she is engaging Shan host. No, Shan host fires. I fire. First elbow. You don't need to be a pro to do decent in Atago. As you can see, I'm showing up a perfect broadside, but because Shan host is in front of me, the computer will shoot Shan host. Switching to the other San Diego. One side too far. Torpedoes on the Iowa and shooting the San Diego. Hopefully getting her kill. Oh god! Oh. Switching to Iowa. The Iowa is shooting us. Torpedoes. One hit and of course it will cost you. Okay, New Jersey. Okay, so this is a pretty bad place to be. Now Iowa is also going to be of course shooting us, and there she goes. Gonna maneuver to reduce the probability of their shells hitting me, and hopefully we'll get the flag of New Jersey. Yes, as expected. Iowa is still shooting at me and I'm just avoiding. Another elbow. Now she will shoot the carrier. The carrier is currently midway distracted at H-41. And there H-41's life goes down. Guys, comment below which guide to which ship you want to see. I'm gonna skip forward. Okay, so I killed the Iowa now, but it is now 1v1 carrier versus cruiser. I should take her out easily, hopefully, because if two of her torpedoes out of five hit me, I'm history. Speed boost turning in, torpedoes are pounded. Where are they? Okay, they will miss. We will turn out. We will get two sailboats hopefully before the next squadron. 20,000. Okay, the next squadron is here, but yeah. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on the video. Okay guys, according to YouTube statistics, only in the last month only 13%, 13.8% people who were subbed to the channel watched my videos. uh, so please consider subscribing to the channel. It is helpful. You can always unsub if you want. It is free. Goodbye.